Snow, and today I got these volunteers and this volunteer. So today we're gonna open a surprise egg, and they're gonna be 3. Wait, don't open them. So she has already opened hers and hers. So what I'm gonna show you is she already opened hers and accidentally. So this is her ring. Chupa Chupa. And another ring for my baby sister. Oh, my baby sister's right there. And let me see this. Oh, wait. Did you got a sticker? Where's your sticker?
No, I'm sure I like sticker.
So this is her sticker. And her other things and the flyer. Oh, yeah. My sister got her thing. So now it's my turn. Now you have to hold it like that. No, don't unrecord it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this one. So let me go ahead and open it. So I'm just going to let you see. These are hard to open. Wait, no, this is yours already.
Nadie quiero esta que haga mía.
Okay. No, not yet.
Ale, what you going to get?
What am I gonna get? It's a surprise egg. That's it. It's actually a plastic one. What is it? Oh yeah, we got candies. Okay. So make sure you take off the tape before you open it, because then all the things are gonna jump out. Awesome! I got another ring. I believe these are all rings. All the surprise eggs are rings. And I got some cards. And wait, please, there. Thank you. I'm their big sister.
My sticker, where is it?
So what I got was these awesome cards. There, you can cut them off. So the first card that I got was this one. Make sure you put it right. Hold the phone right. I got this one. It says Barbie on it. And I got another Barbie one. And I got one that says Barbie only. That's weird. I got another Barbie one. That's no weird one. And I got this cute little one. No, wait! And I got this 2 other ones. Espérate, okay? She's gonna be next. Wait, where's my stickers? Did I have a stick? Oh, yeah. Wait, no. Oh, well. Wait, Nikki, wait. You have... And
Where's my sticker?
Your sticker, I believe it's somewhere here. And these other 2 ones. So, and I got this strawberry Chupa Chupas. Chups.
Me too. Look at that.
And I got this sticker that says Barbie Love. Chups. And a flyer.
What kind of this?
So the next one would be my sister.
You
So.
get it first.
Go ahead and open it. So which one are you gonna get? Ew! So I just wanted to listen to hers. Oh my God, you're a stink farter. Oh my God. Just gonna put these back in here so they wouldn't get lost.
No,
Wait,
open it.
Wait, this is actually yours. And this one, and then... Wait, which one is my ring? Which one is... Wait, where's our ring? So this is yours. Where's my ring? Oh, here it is.
No. Oh. This is me. I believe that one's mine.
Just gonna leave my egg there. So the next one, have you opened yours? Whoa. Somebody zoomed it up all the way. Hurry up! You don't have to really put it in there. Just put it in there, but put it in the middle of yours. So you can, wait, Mom. Wait, have you opened yours? Did you already open? Oh, wait. This is mine. What the heck? Alright. So, I'm just mixed up. This is yours, Mama's, and I call her Mama's. She's my Mama's. That's what Mexicans call their daughter. So. Yeah, I got this from a Mexican store. It's my first time opening this. I've never opened it. Oh, she's gonna open hers. I've never opened. What you got? What you got? Oh, the same. Wait, it's not the same. It's a different picture.
Oh my god.
She got this sticker. Whoops. She got the sticker. Now she got some cards. She got Perfect Barbie. She had. Wait, it's your turn. Okay. So what? So she got this one. She got this one. Okay. Go. Yeah. Go ahead and open it.
Oh yeah.
Here, let me untape it for you, babies. This is yours. Wait, espérate, déjatelo de esto.
No.
Wait.
Oh yeah.
Wait.
Let me open mine right here.
Whoa! What? This is not fair! She got this. This is awesome. I can't believe she got this. She got this. She got this. Okay, you need to keep this by yourself.
Awesome.
Now it's gonna be my turn. So I'm gonna open the puppy one. So go ahead and hold this, please. What the heck? I'm gonna put the puppy one right there. Wait, stop, Nick. Ahorita va a ser tu turno. Escoge uno de estos. Okay, you're good. So I'm gonna open this puppy one with the puppy and the kitten.
Look, just open it.
Oh, what should I get?
Because I'm going to be so...
They're different kinds. Oh, wait, on the first place we got... I hope I get something else instead of a ring. Because we have a ring. Wait. So I'm not going to show you the lollipop. A ring! Another ring! So now it's going to be...
Nikki estaba así.
It's okay, she's baby. So now... Wait, it's not your turn yet. Next is going to be my other sister's turn.
I think I'm going to
Here, open this one. Hurry up! Just put it in your side. This is yours. Okay, now put it in there. I'll show you the stickers later.
I think I'm
Espérate, mami. Oh,
going
okay.
to have a great one.
She thinks she's not gonna have the ring. Yeah, that one. What you got? Awesome! She got a hair clip. You could clip it over. So now it's my baby sister's turn. Ew, you're nasty. Okay, you don't need help already. Here, let me open it for you.
I like it. It's so cute.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Let it go! What you got? Another pretty ring. Okay, what's your stickers? Oh my god! Look at her sticker. Sorry about that. Smile. That's yours, babies. Okay, now it's my turn. Hold. Okay. Hold. Don't untape it. Here. What I'm gonna open is... Maybe I'm gonna open this for good luck. Wait.
Nomás está una más.
It's actually two more. So. The two more.
Ah, 3 more.
Oh yeah, 3 more. Good thing. Good luck. Here, wait.
I want to see what you got.
So go ahead, Babingo. So go ahead. Another ring. Wait, I got it. actually another ring. See? It's like a little barbecue. Okay, it's not your turn yet. So next is her turn. Wait, babies, wait. So it's gonna be okay. No, Nikki, wait.
That one.
Espérate, okay? Leave there.
I'm going to be so warm.
You got the puppy one. Nikki, ¿cuál quieres?
Este
o este? ¿Cuál quieres este? What you got? What? You got the same. I can't believe it. No, I'm sad. I'm so sad. It's not fair that they got the different things, but I only got the ring one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay, now it's your turn. Let it go. Let it go. What you got? Whoa, that came flying over here. Okay.
Oh my.
Awesome. She got this, like, it's circles. You can see. It's circles. It's not squared. Next is going to be my turn. I'm going to open the same one. You can see it's the puppy one. So. Wait, this is mine. What am I going to get? Wait, this is mine. They're open already. These are mine. So, hold it. Oh my God. Ignore her, please. Oh my God, I finally got another thing. God. Ow. So, thanks for watching, guys. Bye, guys. It's actually like this. Wait, guys. Please subscribe my other videos. And, yeah. So, this is my first time opening one, remember? I have never opened a chocolate egg. So, these are all mine. These are all mine. So, bye, guys.